Good night, partners.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Tuck. Good night, Ming Ming. I miss you.
Hey, the hurricane has moved on!
And we're all okay!
Hooray!
And there you have it, fellow nature lovers. When you know a hurricane is coming and it's safe to stay home, a little preparation ahead of time can times when it isn't dry. And all is so beautifully illustrated in episode 206B, Water Woes. Gary, roll it.
Well, maybe we should figure out how to make the rainwater last longer in here than it did last time.
That's it, Hal! You're a genius! Mwah!
Why, thank you. That's the first time this season you called me one.
But we have to figure out how to make the water last longer.